Alright, so this is gonna be my, like, kinda, like, first nature video. Alright, so I'm gonna be, like, recording, animals. So there's a deer right over there. Hold on. Right there. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a deer right there. I came up with this idea, because, well, I mean, couldn't really think of an idea, so I thought I might go looking for some deer. And happens to be one right over there. It's a female deer. It's a doe. It's usually with like a fawn, but I haven't seen the fawn around lately. Hold on, let me go get a better view of him. Right over there. See, there's some birds flying around. Mainly crows. But the deer, it's right there. I'm also going to make this like an exploring video. As well. Well, kinda. We'll kind of sort of make this like nature. And also, I don't know. Let's just see what the video turns out to be. Alright, I can't see the... Up there he is. Back there, some two dogs. Two of my dogs fighting over there. So yeah, I can't really figure out what to do anymore. So expect some experimental videos. Alright, so I'll see you guys later, and maybe I can come up with a better video idea.